Didier Drogba, footballer, Chelsea Football Club, Ivory Coast. Very glad watching the game Chelsea Football Club, Bayern Munich, Champions League final this afternoon. Interesting game, amazing, many surprises. I was very afraid that Chelsea was going to lose, but at the end we became the great champions. Chelsea Football Club, coming from behind to the triumph with the head of Didier Drogba. 88 minutes. It was awesome, amazing. Didier Drogba, cesse de me faire pleurer, cesse de nous faire trembler les filets. Wonderful Didier Drogba on the ball, Mbana. Didier Drogba, l'enfant prodigue de la Côte d'Ivoire. Buteur incontournable, créateur universel. C'est lui Didier Drogba, le buteur, le champion. I love the way this guy play, man. He's a great and strong player, scorer. Amazing Didier Drogba. Le magnifique, magique Didier Drogba. L'incontournable Chelsea player, Ivory Coast. I love the way you play, Didier Drogba. I love the way you score goals. I love the way you hit that ball, man. I love the way you put the head on the ball, man. Didier Drogba. Didier Drogba. Today was number 11, man. Didier Drogba, the champion, the goal scorer, le dribbleur, le buteur magique, Mbanao. Didier Drogba again. La fièvre de défense adverse. Didier Drogba. Fais-nous trembler les filets là, Didier Drogba. J'adore la façon de mbou, go. Atembanao, serembanao, yembanao. Hey. Didier Drogba on the ball. See what he's going to do. He's going to put his head, man. That's a goal. And he's going to kick a penalty at the end to make us win. Didier Drogba.